Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Todamay power bank. We're going to find out how good this 26,800 mAh charger really is. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. We hit our goal of 15 likes in the previous video, so thank you so much again guys for constantly supporting the channel. Let's set today's goal of 20 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Todamay power bank is a portable charger which you can use to charge your devices at home or on the go. The power bank provides 26,800 mAh capacity, supplying you with plenty of room to power your mobile phones, tablets and other products multiple times. The device contains a li-polymer battery built inside, which also contains safety features such as overcurrent and short circuit protection. The LCD display on front is one of my favourite features, as it tells you exactly how much charge you have remaining. Finally, you also have a range of USB inputs and outputs available, including USB Type-C, micro USB and Lightning input. In regards to the product breakdown, on front you have the LCD screen, which tells you the power remaining and input and output details. On top you have two USB ports, as well as one USB Type-C and one Lightning input. On the sides you have the micro USB input on one end and the power button on the other. Finally, towards the back, you have some technical information on the Todamay power bank. Now, in terms of packaging, the device comes in a brown box, which doesn't really contain any branding or company information. I guess Todamay decided to keep things pretty simple here, which is totally fine. However, from a presentation perspective, it would have been nice to at least see a logo or company information. Inside the box, you get the Todamay power bank, as well as one micro USB cable and one user manual. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by charging your power bank by connecting the micro USB cable and then connecting the second end into a power supply. Once the device is fully charged, connect the power bank to your device, switch the power on, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. Just a quick heads up, if you're planning on charging the power bank, then you're better off using a power adapter connected to your USB cable when charging your device. Otherwise, it will end up taking a long time to fully complete. This is pretty much the case for most power banks in today's market. When charging from the mains, it took roughly around 3 to 4 hours until the power was at 100%. When connecting my mobile phone that requires a USB Type-C charger, it took around 1.5 hours until my device was fully charged and still had 70 to 80% remaining. The same also happened when charging my iPhone 8, although this time I had around 80 to 85% power remaining. However, when charging my tablet, it took a lot more juice, leaving me with 55 to 65% remaining, which, to be fair, was kind of expected due to the size of the product. Before we summarize guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, the Todamay power bank does a great job when it comes to powering your devices. The LCD screen on front is super helpful and tells you exactly how much charge you have left. The 3-port input options are also very handy, which allows you to charge your power bank using a USB Type-C, micro USB and even a Lightning cable. You have 2 output ports, which is pretty much standard for most power banks, and the gloss finish on top is also very nice. My only complaints is that I do feel like 1 or even 2 USB outputs could have been added towards the bottom of the device, giving users more options to charge multiple products. In addition, the inclusion of an adapter inside the box would have been super handy, as power banks take a lot longer to charge without one. However, USB ports and adapter aside, you get yourself a reliable power bank that comes with plenty of space to keep your products up and running. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Todamay power bank from Amazon for around £30. However, Todamay have kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a list of their product portfolio, including the 26,800 mAh power bank, in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Are you a fan of power banks, and is the Todamay power bank a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews. and I'll see you all in the next video.